There you are. Right, welcome back to the channel. It's Neil from Neil Has Greatest Adventures, and today we're in Benidorm and we're at the Gran Bali hotel. So I'm going to take you inside the hotel. I'm going to take you right to the top of the viewing point, yeah, so we can see the whole of Benidorm up there. Yeah, so come and join me. We're going to go up the lift and we're going to get to the viewpoint. Also, before we go any further, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It is free of charge, and click that notification bell for all my new notifications coming through for all my new videos. Right, so let's go with that. That's right then, guys, go right to the top at the viewing point, right at the top there, so you can see the lift going up on the outside there. So yeah, we're going to take a trip up there and show you all the sights and what it's like. Yeah, so let's go up here. Oh yeah, they got that their own shopping centre down there as well. Right, so these are the glass elevators we're actually going to go up. So yeah, we're going to catch these, and it's a view outside the glass elevator as well, so we'll see all the Benidorm as we're going up.
Stop it.
Doors closing. Las puertas se están cerrando.
Right, so I think we're going up to the 43rd floor. So, yeah, oh my crikey, look at this. This is mental. Oh my god, I can't believe it. I can't believe it, how high we're going. So yeah, you can see all the Benidorm, my god. Just look how far down we are. This is scary. Very scary. Oh my god. My legs are going like jelly. Oh! That's what we're drinking, guys, eh? My heart's going 10 to a dozen. My knees are gone like jelly.
Floor 43.
Right, so I'm floor 43, and I don't look down. Oh my god. This is crazy. Absolutely crazy. Brilliant though. Right, so we're on the 43rd floor, and we're getting to the top, and already my legs are like jelly. Look at the view, it is crazy, the view here. It's going to be a bit chilly up here. So here we are then, the viewing point of the Bali Hotel. Should I dare look down? Oh my god. Yeah, so you can see everywhere up here. Absolutely amazing. So we've got the whole of Benidorm right in front of us. Absolutely amazing view, brilliant view. So this is just showing you the hotels, look, and all the places, all the mountains and stuff. Quite interesting. Alright, so straight in front of us, it's like a gold hotel on the front. That is actually the largest, or the tallest apartments in Benidorm. So this is the tallest hotel in Benidorm, and that over there, the In Tempo, is actually the tallest apartments in Benidorm. Loads of new builds been going up just lately, so I wonder if anybody will actually go any higher than this. But what an amazing view. Right, so there you go then guys, I hope you enjoyed that lovely view of Benidorm up the Gran Bali Hotel. Yeah, what an amazing place to visit. Yeah, so get yourselves up here if you're on holiday, if you want to see a good view. And on a really warm day, it'll be scorching up here, yeah, you get a little suntan as well up there. Yeah, so yeah, that's it, that's all I can say really. It's just amazing. I'm actually speechless on how this place is. Yeah, so don't forget, please, if you want to see more films, just ring that notification bell and also hit that subscribe button and you'll get all my stuff coming through. So I'm going to do loads more on Benidorm and all the places as well. So I really hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you in the next one. So we'll see you soon.